And we're going to try a love reading today. So I'm going to give you a bit of instruction on how to do your own reading for love. So let's see what we've got. Now we've got the first card here. Now this is the Devil card. So what this one is saying, and if I'm going to read this for myself and if you're reading it for you, look at the card. What is one of the first things that jumps out at you? Is it the numbers? Is it the cross on the number like a kiss? Is it the red? Is it the sword? It's quite sharp. It might be sort of silvery colour. Or is it the actual devil? Or is it people just having a good old time and dancing around at the bottom? So you need to just, for an intuitive reading, pick out the first thing that comes to you. Now, I know this card is a devil. And when I tend to do readings, and at the moment I haven't got my glasses on, so I'm just going with my contact lenses. So this one means to me that at the minute, I'm sort of dancing to the tune of the devil. Now, normally that means that things aren't quite in place a little bit in the future. So this one would potentially be a little bit of a delay card. So you might want your life partner now, but they might not be ready yet, but they will be ready soon. Now, let me have a look at the next card and let's see what that one says there. Okay, so this is a mind card. So we're still on the subject of love down the bottom. And you can see that the witch is sitting there. She's broken her broomstick. This is a number 4 card. So a number 4 is, I quite like that number. It's a good karmic number and it's building on a number 2. So it's a new building and a foundation card. Now, she's sitting there crying. There's some little rats, I think, or rodents on the right-hand side who are trying to help her. And then there's another one on the left-hand side that's sort of just sitting there as well. Now, I always say, if there's something that you really, really, really want to do, don't go around telling loads of people, because generally speaking, unless people are your true friends, a lot of people don't want you to be happy because they're not happy themselves. And it's generally speaking, it's all about them. So we want this to be all about you. So you need to just take no notice of anyone else. You are beautiful, you are lovable, and just always remember that. And there is definitely someone out there for you. Now, if I'm reading this back with the devil card on the first one, it to me would say, well, at the moment, things aren't quite in place for you or for you to meet your soul partner. But don't get too upset about it. You know, don't just go, oh my God, and start crying and whatever and throwing a hissy fit, because a bit further round, things will fall into place. But if you fall into doom and gloom, you're never going to meet anyone, because who wants to meet a miserable so-and-so? You know, just stay happy, stay focused, and know that you are going to meet your true person, but not just today. Okay, so let's see what the next card says for us. Okay, right, so this is there's a little candle at the top. Now, to me, that's like a work card. So it's around what I say you do in your 9 to 5. You might not go to work. You might be at college. You might be at school. You know, you might be doing loads of other things. But generally, this is like a work card or what goes on during your daily life. Now, you can see you've got a couple of witches there. They're moving forwards on their broomsticks, but blimmin' hell, it looks like it's really tough going for them. But can you see the little light there? One of them's got the lantern, and that light is shining bright, and that's what I've been pulled to. So for me, I would say, right, stuck in a rut at the moment, nothing's moving forwards. It's highly likely that my person isn't around just at this point in time, and it's going to be a little bit tough going if I'm pushing the boundaries, trying to find that person. It's a bit like, I would say, walking through treacle at the moment. So do you know what? I'm just going to have fun doing all the things that I want to do, enjoying life, and just putting that nice spirit out there. Because do you know what? You might not meet someone directly, but your energy might inspire someone who knows someone who is looking for their soul partner. So you may get that indirect link. So let's have a look at what the final card says. And no, I didn't plan these out. I've just literally shuffled them. So, okay, so as a little bit of guidance, we go back to the first card. Okay, so that one is, you're in dancing to the tune of the devil at the moment. Don't get upset, you know. That one, things are going to be a little bit tough and not moving as quick as you want. But you know what? Love is there. Now, this one is the Cauldrons card, and it is a number 1, so it's a new beginning. And it is new love. And you're probably not going to get a little frog, you know. You're probably going to get the Italian pasta-eating frog of your dreams, who will be a lovely person. So at the end of this, yes, you are going to find your love, but just keep doing what you're doing. Have fun and enjoy your life. Do not just focus purely on finding the love of your life. Have that as a byproduct of going through life and enjoying what you do, because life's too short to just be focusing on one thing. And I say to some of my friends, if you're going out for the night, don't just go out to pool, you know, because if you don't pool, then pool in English is go out and meet a person. I'm sure you've heard that, but I just thought I better explain if I've got anyone else from a different country on the video. So go out with the purpose of having fun and enjoying yourself. And then if you do meet someone, then that is a bonus. If you don't meet someone, then that doesn't determine how much fun you have in that evening. So I hope this was useful. I will be doing some more DIY tarot intuitively with you. I'll also be doing some more spreads, okay, and trying to get you to work with your cards. I'll probably be doing some meditations as well, but this is the pack that I use. I'm just going to show you here. It's absolutely well worn, and it's about my second pack on here now, but it is the Witchy Tarot, and I think you can get it on eBay. I'm pretty sure you can probably get them in most shops, but this is the pack that I predominantly work with. But I do like working with other packs because it just tests your ability and your intuition to see what jumps out at you. 9 times out of 10 as well, I will mix the packs around and have other packs coming in. So please like and subscribe and check out the channel. There's a lot of good things that are going on there, and hopefully see you soon.